and welcome to our Above and Beyond Assembly. And I've got a very special, if not slightly scruffy, guest today. So you're kind of a little bit of a rocker, yeah, with the hair and the check shirt and then ski goggles, yeah. Hair's a little bit kind of, a bit scruffy. I think if I look close I might find a few spiders and flies in there. Am I correct or, I wonder who it could be. Anyway, without further ado, shall we get on with our nominations, mystery guest? We've had lots and lots of nominations today from your teachers, for those of you who are in school, and from your grown-ups, for those of you who are still at home. So, our first nomination today goes to Robbie. We wanted to nominate Robbie for Above and Beyond because he has really thrown himself into recent projects, including writing a fantastic spy story and for being a really supportive brother for Lara, including dropping her off at school. It's nice having Lara back, isn't it? And sharing his Lego with her. Well done, Robbie, from Mum, Dad and Lara. What a lovely brother you are, and we look forward to seeing you back in school as well soon, Robbie. Well done. Enjoy your hot chocolate. Thank you. Oh, this is quite a long one, so I think as I'm reading this out, I might ask you your first question, mystery guest. Do you have a favourite movie? Just had to nominate Maggie for how grown up she was at returning to school this week. She has impressed me so much. Our family had to isolate early, so she hadn't been to school for over 3 months. That's a long time, Maggie. She just dressed in her school uniform on Monday and raced through the gates without any hesitation. Well done, Mags. It must be because now she's 5 years old. From Mummy, Daddy, Eula and Cam. But Maggie, there's more. Listen to this. It's not very often that this happens, mystery guest. From Mr. Parkinson and Mrs. Mahiri, they also would like to nominate Maggie for settling into our pod so beautifully. I mean, you must have done a fab job, Maggie, to get it from your grown-ups and from your teacher. She has been enthusiastic in her learning and produced an amazing piece of writing about her mum all by herself. She remembered her capital letters, her finger spaces and full stops throughout. Well done, Maggie. Great work. So, mystery guest, do you have a favourite movie? Can you read that? Beethoven. Is that about Beethoven, the composer who did all the amazing music? No. Is it about that crazy big dog? Oh, I think I know. It's funny, that one, isn't it? He gets himself into some right pickles, doesn't he? Oh, thank you, mystery guest. Next nomination. Thank you. This one is from Mr. Doherty. Elsie has settled straight back into school after almost 3 months at home. She's already produced some amazing pieces of writing that she should be incredibly proud of. Well done, Elsie. Keep up the amazing work. Fabulous, Elsie. Hot chocolate coming your way. Thank you. This is from Mr. McNulty, Mrs. Bogue and Miss LaRue. And they would like to nominate Matthew in Sunrise Pod for phenomenal work in fractions. Fractions, I know. And becoming more independent in our pod. He's always cheerful and has interesting answers for questions. And he always shows great kindness to his best friend, Cameron. That's wonderful. Well done to you, Matthew. Hot chocolate coming to you. Thank you. This is for Nursery Podbee and it's for Sarah for her wonderful, friendly manner. Sarah, you always make everybody around you feel so happy. And that's so true. Every time I see Sarah, she's got such a lovely smile on her face. I'll see you later for your hot chocolate, Sarah. Thank you very much, mystery guest. This one is actually from Elsie. It's from Elsie and her mummy, Kelly. And they would like to nominate Mrs. Najand for being 1 in a million. She is 1 in a million, isn't she? Thank you, Mrs. Najand, for all of your hard work. You will be really missed. Missed by Elsie, missed by Elsie's mummy, missed by us. Thank you very much. Thank you. Before I do this one, I think I'm going to ask you another question. Do you have any interesting hobbies? This one is for Blake in Chameleon. And Blake, I am so sorry. You should have had this nomination last week and I somehow missed you off the list and I'm so sorry. So this is an extra special one for you because you've had to wait so long. So, Blake, you have been enjoying doing your scratch coding as well as learning about Mary Seacole, who you recognised straight away. He thought it was very unfair that she wasn't allowed to help Florence Nightingale in the Crimean War. Right too. We as a family went to the Black Lives Matter march at the US Embassy in Vauxhall, and Blake really got and understood what no justice, no peace means, and he drew a poster about it, which Mummy shared with Miss Patel. Oh, I wonder if Miss Patel would show me that poster. I'd really like to see it. Yeah? If you're watching, Miss Patel, would you send me, please, Blake's poster? I'd really like to see it. Well done, Blake. Enjoy your hot chocolate. So, unusual hobbies. Ooh, it's a lovely picture as well. You see that? Drumming. Oh, could you do a little bit of drum on the table then? Let's see. Oh, they're good, aren't they? I wonder who that could be. A member of staff who looks like a rock star and they drum as well. Interesting. Next nomination. Thank you. This is for Daniel in Year 6 and it's from Mrs. Bennett and Mrs. Brace for listening so intently to our story, Journey to the River Sea. I don't know Journey to the River Sea, do you? No, is it good? And explaining Russian words and culture to the class. Wow. Daniel, you speak Russian as well and you understand the culture. He has also created a brilliant painting in response to music in our art lesson. Oh, I'd like to see that, Daniel. Bring it down and show me. Thank you very much. Hot chocolate coming to you. Miss Jo, Mrs. Naldrich, she's snuck in too again. Dear. They must be very well deserved though. This is from Miss Jo and Miss Sally in Nursery C. And it's for Charles and Elliot for being such superstars. They are tidy, organised, helpful and kind. A nursery. And they help to keep the nursery pod in good order. Isn't that fabulous? Well done, guys. My office is looking a little bit messy. If you want to come and tidy up in there, you'd be very welcome. Hot chocolate coming to you. Thank you, mystery guest. This one is for Aria in Capybara. And again, I'm so sorry, Aria. You should have had this last week and I forgot. I missed you off. I hope you forgive me. So this is an extra special one for you for waiting for so long. So Aria has been doing Khan Academy Maths and Scratch coding, as well as putting effort into understanding bar model maths and the Oliver Twist work this week. She's also been writing poems and drawing pictures to relax and unwind. Mummy says she's very proud of you, and so are we. Well done, Aria. Hot chocolate coming to you. Enjoy. Thank you. Hi there. This is from Barbara, Dylan's mummy. She says, please can I nominate Dylan from Mr. Doherty's pod for helping me clean the house every week. He's such a star. Do you know, it amazes me how wonderful our children are at home. Because cleaning the house, that's a hard job for mummies, isn't it? Oh, wow, I wish you could come and help me clean mine as well. Well done to you, Dylan. You definitely deserve your hot chocolate. Thank you. This is from Mrs. Najand. I would like to nominate Samuel in Gazelle. Samuel smiles, yes he does, from the minute he comes into school till the minute he leaves. He is putting huge amounts of effort into his work, and I have seen significant progress since our return to school. Samuel is everyone's friend, and we love having him in Gazelle class. And we love having you at Swaffield too, Samuel. Well done. Thank you. This one is from Miss Yateman and Mrs. Soje, and they would like to nominate Lara. Oh, two siblings. Both been nominated by members of staff. Lara for her positive attitude towards learning in school and for being such a fantastic role model for others. Well done to you, Lara. You can enjoy your hot chocolate together with Bobby. Thank you. This is from Miss Sarah in Nursery Pod A, and it's for Dante for his excellent focus in early reading activities. Do you know, Miss Sarah came to me and she said that Dante and some of the other children in nursery are already reading books. Yeah? They are reading the words and sounding them out as they go. Amazing work, Dante. Well done. Enjoy your hot chocolate. Thank you. This is for Kush in Nursery Pod C. And Kush, Miss Jo says, you always play so kindly with all of your pod friends. Yes, you do, Kush. Well done. What a lovely skill to have. Enjoy your hot chocolate. Lucky last. Goodness, we got through those quickly today. Thank you. I'd better ask you your final question, hadn't I? Mystery rock star guest with a slightly mangy hairdo. How long have you worked at Swaffield, mystery guest? This is from Mrs. Grayson, and she would like to nominate an adult. She'd like to nominate Mr. Todd for his amazing poetry writing and performances. And they are so good. And if you haven't seen them already, have a look on our YouTube channel. Well done, Mr. Todd. I will make sure you get your hot chocolate. So, mystery guest, your favourite movie is Beethoven, about that dog, crazy dog. You are a great drummer in your spare time. And you have worked at Swaffield for how long? 5 years. I bet they've been the best 5 years of your life, haven't they? I wonder who it could be. Shall we have a look? Who are you, mystery guest? Oh, drum roll! Is
everyone. I've been waiting to be mystery guest for so long now. And this has been an absolute joy to see how well you've all worked hard in school and at home. We're all so proud of you, and you're doing an amazing job, parents and children and teachers. We are so blessed to have you children come to our school.
Oh, thank you so much, Miss Patel. And thank you everybody for watching. Keep those nominations coming. Be the best you can be, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
You're above, you're beyond. Take a bow. You're above and beyond.